request Dali Sharma to speak few words regarding the present situation of Telangana.
Became 29th state of India 9 years ago. In February 2014, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha passed Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Bill, which created Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Telangana became 29th state of India. Two people were responsible for creating Telangana. Srimati Sonia Gandhi, chairperson of UPA, and Dr. Manmohan Singh, Prime Minister of India at that time. These two people not only created Telangana, but also made sure that Hyderabad remained in Telangana. Hyderabad did not become union territory. Hyderabad became capital of Hyderabad did not become union permanently. Hyderabad 9 years after Telangana was created permanently. Now we are facing election day after tomorrow on 30th of November. And the question that people in Telangana are asking, all people in Telangana are asking, KCR గారు తెలంగాణ ప్రజలకు నమ్మక ద్రోహం చేశారు. కేసీఆర్ గారు తెలంగాణ ప్రజలకు నమ్మక ద్రోహం చేశారు. Because whatever objective Telangana was created has not been fulfilled. I will give you 3 examples. Number 1, Telangana was created so that all development does not get concentrated in Hyderabad. Warangal develops, Karimnagar develops, Adilabad develops, Khammam develops, Nalgonda develops. That was the objective. 9 years later, all investment is in outer ring road of Hyderabad. 3 districts, Sangareddy, Rangareddy and Hyderabad. Telangana has 33 districts. All development in 3 districts, Rangareddy, Sangareddy, Hyderabad. You remember what Chief Minister KCR said? I will make Karimnagar London. I will make Warangal Dallas. मैं तो सीएम साहब को बोलता हूँ, डैलस के पहले वरंगल को हैदराबाद बनाइए. Make Warangal Hyderabad first before making Warangal Dallas. So first, all development in 9 years in Rangareddy, Sangareddy, Hyderabad, in and around Hyderabad. Warangal, 9 years after Telangana, no airport. Cabinet decides in July of 2023 to acquire land for airport for Warangal. They have only taken a decision to acquire. They have not acquired the land. Airport नहीं बनेगा Warangal में. How will you have connectivity? How will you develop IT industry and other industries? So first reason, Telangana was created to develop Telangana, but KCR is worried only about Hyderabad. That's all. All investment around Hyderabad. Second reason, Telangana was created to give jobs to youth of Telangana. In Telangana, Osmania University, Kakatiya University, so many universities, Acharya M.G. Ranga University, there are so many universities. Youth in Telangana want jobs in Telangana. But what is reality after 9 years? No recruitment for Telangana Public Service Commission for 9 years, except for police constable. That's all. No examination. Should have exam every year to recruit doctors, nurses, teachers, local government officials. No recruitment. Telangana youth unemployment rate highest in the country, 15%. India average 10%. Telangana youth unemployment rate 15%. And every day in Telangana, one youth commits suicide. We knew farmer suicide, a lot of farmer suicides. But now, youth suicide is taking place in Telangana. So youth is not getting jobs. Telangana was created for generating jobs, no jobs for youth. Third, Telangana was created for Samajika Nyayam. Dalit, Adivasi, backward class, minority. But no Samajika Nyayam, no social justice in Telangana because only 4 people are running government of Telangana. Father, son, nephew, daughter. Pitaji, beta, beti, bhanja. Only 4 people are running government of Telangana. So no democratic functioning. This is not Prajala Telangana. This is KCR Telangana. Family of 4 controlling the entire state. So at the end of 9 years, objective of Telangana has not been fulfilled. Warranty period for KCR is over. Now the time for guarantee has started. These are the 6 guarantees of the Congress party. Not one man guarantee, but guarantee of the Congress party. What are the 6 guarantees? Mahalakshmi for women, Raitu Bharosa for farmers, Griha Jyoti for middle class and all other homes, Indrama Indalu for weaker sections of society, Yuva Vikasam for youth, and Cheyuta for senior citizens, pensions. These are the 6 guarantees. And for the first time in our manifesto, we have given a job calendar. This is job calendar. In 2024, between January 1st, 2024 and December 31st, 2024, Congress guarantees youth of Telangana 2 lakh jobs in Telangana government. This is the calendar. By what date grade 1, by what date grade 2, by what date grade 3, all this there in the manifesto. It is not some secret document. It is there in our manifesto. So, these are the guarantees of the Congress party, and these guarantees will give us the mandate of the people. जनता का जनादेश हमें मिलेगा इस गारंटी के आधार पर. हमें विश्वास है. We had Bharat Jodo Yatra from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. 4,000 kilometers Rahul Gandhi ji walked. 400 kilometers in Telangana. Narayanpet, Mehboob Nagar, Rangareddy, Hyderabad, Mechal, Sangareddy, Medak and Kamareddy. 8 districts, 400 kilometers in October and November 2022. So after Bharat Jodo Yatra, we had new Congress. Nava Congress. We had new Congress, which gave strength to Congress. All leaders, all workers walked in Bharat Jodo Yatra. And after Bharat Jodo Yatra, we had election in Karnataka. And that election in Karnataka created political earthquake in Telangana. BJP disappeared. Shumantar. BJP disappeared. BRS got worried that Karnataka election changed political climate all over India. Congress party is winning Rajasthan, Congress party is winning Madhya Pradesh, Congress party is winning Chhattisgarh, and Congress party is definitely winning Telangana. So, let me summarize, friends. परसों जो चुनाव होने वाले हैं, तेलंगाना के भविष्य के लिए निर्णायक चुनाव, डिसाइसिव इलेक्शन, बिकॉज यू नीड ए जनता गवर्नमेंट, अ प्रजलू गवर्नमेंट of people. We have a secretariat building in Hyderabad. Chief Minister does not go to secretariat. He sits in his farmhouse in Gajwal. Bullet-proof farmhouse में बैठे हुए हैं और सरकार चलाते हैं. We need development in Warangal. Jagtial-Warangal Expressway. Land was given during UPA 2 time. Till today, Jagtial-Warangal Expressway is not complete. 9 years, no airport in Warangal. 9 years, Warangal is not Dallas. So Warangal, Karimnagar, Adilabad, Khammam, Nalgonda, Mahbubnagar, these are to develop, not just outer ring road of Hyderabad. Dalits, Adivasis, minorities, backward classes have to develop, not one family, not gang of four. So the Congress party is going to the election with confidence. This is a fight between Congress and BRS. BRS is supported by two political parties, one BJP, the other one is MIM. This is BJP, MIM, BRS coalition. Informal understanding. BRS supports Modi in the center, Modi will support BRS in the state. So we are confident that the farmers of Telangana, women, mostly women of Telangana, will come out in large numbers and vote for the Mahalakshmi guarantee, 2,500 rupees every month into the bank account of a woman from each family. That is 30,000 rupees per year. They will vote for a guarantee of gas cylinder 500 rupees. A gas cylinder. In Gujarat it is 1100. In UP it is 1200. All families in Telangana. There are 7 lakh families in Telangana. Every family will get gas, cooking gas, cylinder, 15 kg cylinder at 500 rupees a cylinder. So this is a historic election, and I think the time has come for the people of Telangana to stand up and say, बस बहुत हो गया है, ड्रामाबाजी बंद करो, नौटंकी बंद करो, अभी सरकार चलाना है. और किसानों के लिए, महिलाओं के लिए, युवकों के लिए ये सरकार चलाना है. So if you have any questions, I would be happy to